And this project, when I watch the project, it's very touching, and it's a project that we all like. We are having that problem in our environment today. That is a recycle, and when you look around, we see rubber things everywhere. So our school helped us to come out with this. So my brother wanted to say something about that project before we mention the school.
Yeah, it's a very interesting project. It's called AI Smart Bin. We went there, we saw that yesterday, and we saw it today too. It's an elaborate project in the sense that you have compartments. When you have, I think I saw some place where when the waste goes, they will segregate. I saw some magnets somewhere which will trap some metals, and then you had a place where some recycling is done, and all that. I can't describe all, but one word I can use is that it is elaborate. So AI being smart bin, Ola SHS hold the overall best, and this will be
our mama will give this award, and the CEO of OMI, Mama Stella Atakpa. Clap for Ola guests now. Clap for them. Overall best. They are overall best. Overall best.
So actually, I'm going to allow the girls to explain the program, the project that they did. So one of you will talk about what you did. And it's really interesting. Actually, there were other projects we were also looking at, and the points between the different points between the projects were just half points, 0.4 or point whatever. But this project, okay, you are going to explain it so that people understand what it is you did.
First of all, our program started from the drainage system, where we will use this drainage system to check the mess flooding crates, and then the waste that will be segregated from the flood water will be recycled through the AI Smart Bin. The AI Smart Bin is just an advanced version of the normal dustbins we have in our community. The AI Smart Bin will sort out plastic, glass, metals, etc. to make sure that they are recycled and used to make better products. So with our project, out of the pure water sachets we recycled, we're able to make bags, raincoats. And one last feature of our AI Smart Bin is the RVM system, which is the reverse vending machine. This is where the bin will reward people for recycling. And that helps in motivation of people recycling.
Thank you very much. So I really would like to say thank you for this and the other teams. All the teams did exceptionally well. Ola girls, this is their first time, and we were really impressed with what they've done. They were going to clear all the awards, and I said, no, we can't give all the awards to one school. So please give them a big hand, and they are girls. It is very important to emphasize the fact that they are girls, because I worked in the International Atomic Energy Agency, where only men, at least I would say 75% of the workforce were only guys. And every time they ask for interns, junior professional positions, so at least now when I get the information that they're looking for young students to come and work and just gain the experience for 6 months or for 1 year, I know that I can send this information to Ola and the other schools, the young students, all of you, yeah? So your facilitators must get in touch with me so that we can exchange mails. Thank you very much.